students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Sri Kokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Good morning to all. How are you children? I hope all of you have started your revision. Children, today we would focus on the sample question paper 2021. So children, let us start with geography and economics questions. Fourth question, fill in the blanks. Business process outsourcing, that means BPO, is an example of dash industry in India. Once more, business process outsourcing is an example of dash industry in India. It is related with BPO is related with information technology. This BPO is related with information technology. Okay, so it is an example. BPO is an example of information technology industry in India. Then next one, Green Revolution. This is an OR question. Green Revolution has helped dash industry to expand in different parts of India. Which industry? Fertilizer industry. Green Revolution has helped fertilizer industry to expand in different parts of India. Then next one, choose the correctly matched pair about the primitive cultivation in India from the following options. Option A, Dahiya, Madhya Pradesh, Kumari, Jharkhand, then Khil, Andhra Pradesh, and Common, Karnataka. So children, this question is from our fourth chapter, Agriculture, and all these are the names of our slash and burn cultivation or jumming. So which is the correct answer? Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh. Then Kumari. In Jharkhand, this jumming is known as Kuruva. In Jharkhand, jumming is known as Kuruva, not Kumari. Then in Andhra Pradesh, this jumming is known as Podu or Penda. Okay. Then common in Western Ghats. Common not in Karnataka, common in Western Ghats. Okay. So the correct answer is Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh. So study well all these names of jumming or slash and burn cultivation. Then next one, fill in the blank. Barley, rabi crop, cotton, kharif, dash, said crop. Which is the correct answer? This question is very easy one. Wheat, mustard, soya bean and cucumber. Which is the correct answer? Cucumber. Cucumber is a said crop. Okay. The next one, identify the soil with the help of following features. Red to brown in color, sandy in texture and saline in nature, lacks humus and moisture. So all these features are related with which soil, which type of soil? Arid soil. So the answer is arid soil. Then eighth one, a type of millet rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage is options A, Vajra, then Rajma, Jowar and Ragi. Which is the correct answer? Ragi. A type of millet rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage is known as Ragi. Then next one. 12th one, read the given data and find out which country has most equitable distribution of income. This question is from our economics. Countries, country A, B, C and D. Monthly income of citizens in 4 countries in 2018. Citizen 1, 10,500. Then citizen 2, 11,200. Citizen 3, 10,800. Citizen 4, 11,000. Citizen 5, 10,700. Then average 10,840. How do you calculate the average income of this country A? You have to add all this income and divide the number. Okay, divide this total income by the number of the citizens. Then country B, 600, 5,000, 600, 600, 600. Then country C, 550. Then 10,500. 400, 7,500, 2,000. Then country D 800, 4,800, 700, 5,750. So the question is, which country has most equitable distribution of income? The average is here. So which country? Country A, country B, country C and country D. The answer is country A. The average income is 10,800. So this country A has most equitable distribution of income. All other countries have inequitable distribution of income, because suppose for example country B, here one citizen's income is 5,000 and all others are 600. So there is a wide gap between citizen 2 and all other citizens. Okay. Then next question, read the information given below and select the correct option. Mohan is an agricultural laborer. There are several months in a year when he has no work and needs credit to meet his daily expenses. He depends upon his employer, the landowner, for credit, who charges an interest rate of 5% per month. Mohan repays the money by working physically for the landowner on his farmland. Over the years, his debt will, option A, increase because of increasing interest and non-payment of monthly amount, then remain constant as he is working for the employer but is repaying less, then reduce as a amount equivalent to his salary is being counted as monthly repayment. Then D, be totally repaid as he is repaying the debt in the form of physical labor. So which is the correct option? Option A, increase because of increasing interest and non-payment of monthly amount. So what is the question? Over the years, his debt will increase because he has no work and he needs credit to meet his daily expenses. Then next one, most of the agricultural laborers like Mohan depend upon loans from informal sector. Which of the following statements about this sector is correct? First option, there are government bodies to supervise informal sector. Money lenders ask for a reasonable rate of interest. Cost of informal loans to the borrower is quite high. Money lenders use fair means to get their money back. So which statement is correct about this informal sector? The answer is cost of informal sector loans to the borrower is quite high. C option, cost of informal loans to the borrower is quite high. Then next one, which one of the following options describe collateral? Which one of the following options describe collateral? Double coincidence of ones, which is related with barter system. Then certain products for barter, trade in barter, asset as guarantee for loan. So which option is correct? Asset as guarantee for loan. So collateral means an asset as guarantee for loan. Then next one, read the given statements in context of globalization and choose the correct option. It is the only way for economic development of the country, interlinks only production-based activities in dispersed locations in the world. It has always given only positive results in all the countries, leads to spread of technology, cultures and diseases from one region to another. So read the given statements in context of globalization and choose the correct option. Answer is D. It leads to spread of technology, cultures and also diseases from a region to another. So option is D. Okay. In the question given below, there are two statements marked as assertion. It is denoted by the letter A, and reason denoted by R. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Assertion. Different people have different development goals. Then the reason for this statement, people want freedom, equality, security and respect. Options both A, this assertion, and R, this reasoning, are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Then option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. And C, A is true, but R is false. And D, A is false, but R is true. So which is the correct answer? Option A. Both A and R are true. Yes, this question is from our first chapter, economics. Different people have different developmental goals. Then, a reason. People want freedom, equality, security and respect. So, this R is the correct explanation of this assertion. Different people have different development goals. Then next question number 19. Suggest and explain any three ways to protect land from degradation in various states of India. Suggest and explain any three ways to protect land from degradation in various states of India. This is a 3-mark question from which chapter? Our first chapter, Geography, Resources and Development. So the answer is point wise. You have to write point wise. Afforestation, proper management of grazing, planting of shelter belts of plants, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes, control of mining activities, proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment. And you have to write any other relevant point related with this question. Any three ways to protect land from degradation in various states of India. This is in page number 6 of our geography chapter. Then next question 21. Question number 21. Imagine yourself to be XYZ, a member of a women's self-help group. Analyze the ways through which your group provides loans to the members. So this question is related with our self-help group, economics chapter 3, money and credit. First point, self-help groups pool their savings. A typical self-help group has 15 to 20 members usually belonging to one neighborhood who meet and save regularly. Saving per member varies from rupees 25 to rupees 100 or more depending on the ability of the people to save. Then members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. The group charges interest on these loans, but this is still less than what the money lender charges. What about the interest of the money lenders or informal sectors? They charge high rate of interest compared to the formal sector. Then after a year or two, if the group is regular in savings, it becomes eligible for availing loan from the bank. Okay, so you have to write point wise. This is in page number 51 of our economics textbook. Study well and write the answer point wise. Okay, you have to write any 3 points related with this question. The next one, the issue of sustainability important for development. Examine the statement. The issue of sustainability important for development. Examine the statement. First point, sustainable development aims at fulfilling the needs of today without compromising the needs of the future generation. Sustainability is the capacity or capability to use the resources judiciously and maintain ecological balance. And it lays emphasis on environmental protection and check environmental degradation. So this is from our first chapter, economics development, page number 15. Okay. The issue of sustainability important for development. Examine the statement. So children, you have to read the textbook very well. Otherwise, you can't attend the question like the examine the statement. So read your textbook very well. Then next one.